Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a CrawlQ account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to register an account on the CrawlQ AI, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address CrawlQ.ai and hit on the enter button. And after that you'll be directed over here, which is the home page of CrawlQ AI, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login and the start trial button guys over here. If you've already created an account on CrawlQ AI, click on the login button to go further, but to register for CrawlQ AI, let's start the trial over here and click on that button, and the registration button will appear, or the registration page will appear, where you'll be required to enter your credentials over here guys. Let's go, enter your email address with which you will be logging into your CrawlQ AI account later on, and after that enter your password, or create your password to be exact. And after entering your password over here guys, again type the password over here to confirm your password. And while creating your password, make sure to add some capital letters, some small letters, some extra characters and special characters, and some numbers in order to make your password strong. And with that being said guys, after entering your name, your email address and your password, simply click on sign up and you will get the 7 days free trial. And after that you'll be required to pay for an account on CrawlQ AI. And with that being said guys, after entering the click sign up button, a verification mail will be sent to you on your email which you had entered over here. And go to your mail, open that mail and confirm that you're a human, or you are the person which you're trying to create an account on CrawlQ. And after that, after entering your verification letter, or opening your verification letter, your account will be verified and you will be free to use your CrawlQ AI on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a CrawlQ AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.